everybody, before I get into the plan with me, I wanted to share with you our newest stickers. These are on sale for $2 a sheet for $2 deals for the week. Calendar stickers and tabs and just kind of really fun like setup stickers. So they fit perfectly in your cousin over the months over here. However, if you use like a bullet journal, I mean, you can just put this in very easily. And then we also have tabs available that will fit really well over here. It was just a lot of fun to design all of them. We have some Snoopy ones, twin stars. This actually matches the colors of the Hobonichi kit. Let me share with you. Tabs here match the colors of the Hobonichi, except they're a little bit more muted because I don't love these colors. More muted, and I like them so much better. But you can honestly like mix and match whatever tabs that you want. It really doesn't matter, whatever floats your boat. So these will be perfect to put over here to cover up this area. I really want to open up some spots to do like a custom name sticker and also do some like fun vinyl die cuts and sparkled vinyl die cuts next time, but that will be next time because believe it or not, these designs take forever to do. Personally for me, I might go with the pink version. You guys know me, I love pink. So I might go with the pink version, thinking of going with these tabs. I still don't know because I really like both of them. Which one should I go with? Help me decide, please. So I just got done putting in the tabs and how cute did it turn out. I love it so much. Happy Halloween, everybody. Oh my gosh, it is our last video for the countdown. I'm gonna be planning for this week. Happy Planner, the planner that I started out with planning in when I started the countdown, and I want to thank everybody for watching so far. If you watched all 5 videos, definitely leave a comment and let me know. Going to be planning with the Boo Crew. I have the large deco and then the normal size deco. Let's get started. Yay! It is finally Halloween and we are here with our last plan of me. Kind of bittersweet. But I have been loving the Halloween spreads that I've been doing. Halloween is my favorite holiday of all time. It is a lifestyle, okay? I even have a year-round Halloween room and I have skeletons like all around my house year-round. They're just like a really fun decoration. But anyways, I'm going with the journaling sampler and it has these brush strokes that are included, and then I'm also going with some of these little date scripts. I couldn't find a rose gold. You saw me open up my stash of foil, so I'm using silver instead. I think silver and rose gold are quite similar, so I don't mind like mixing foils, to be honest. The only foil that I don't love mixing is gold. Like, I don't know. I have done gold and silver before, but generally like gold and rose gold don't really look that great together. I think gold with like rainbow foil is really pretty. Like we've done pastel rainbow floral foil. Sorry, I said floral because I was looking at me doing the florals. And pastel rainbow is seriously my favorite foil color. I should do a video on that. But anyways, I'm using the florals that are also the same with the kit. And I don't think I've ever used these ones. This is when before we changed our floral sheet. Our florals are a lot smaller now, but these are a lot bigger. However, I had no problem using the bigger ones. I actually really enjoyed it. So they fit in really well in this space and also just how I planned in the Happy Planner. I'm going in with the stickers. sticker book. This is the dates. I used it in the last Happy Planner video as well. I really love them. I can never find any of my foiled date dots. I think I just need to print out like 10 of each color. So I'm going in with the big Deco. I didn't plan on using it too much, but then I ended up using all of it except for that huge one. That huge one I'm going to save for a bullet journal spread. And I've just realized that I've never done like a Bujo spread for this Halloween countdown, so perhaps I would do one in the near future. I love bullet journal or just like journaling spreads. The last one I did on this channel, I think was for May. It was for my birthday months, and it was really cute how that turned out. So I recommend go watching it if you haven't already. And I'm using the torn paper thingy that came in the sampler, and I'm putting it on opposite corners. So cute. I also have to warn you guys, in this plan with me, I pulled up so many stickers so many times. I didn't reposition them. I was layering, and then here you can see that I just decided to put some florals on the rip part of the page sticker. So I'm pulling it up, and I did that so many times in this planner. I'm also cutting the florals so that it's not as bulky when I go lay it down. I also don't know where my little scissor went, so I'm just using my bigger one, but it kind of worked out because the stickers were a little bit bigger. Oh my gosh, I love the look of the large Deco. It was kind of, I don't know if I told you guys, it was kind of like on a whim that I made the large Deco, and then it ended up being such a popular product, like a type of sticker in our shop. So we do it for pretty much every hand-drawn kit now. We always have large Deco. I love little happy accidents like that where I honestly just released maybe like 2 for the first time, like for Journaling Sunday, and it ended up being the most popular sticker of that release. So, you know, we've never looked back. So I have to ask, what do you guys use large Deco for? For me personally, I think it's so awesome for bullet journal spreads and also spreads like this. So if you guys watched my last Happy Planner plan with me, I noted that this is my first Happy Planner in like so many years. And oh my gosh, like I really loved it. It kind of looks, the way I plan it, well, memory plan or whatever, in a Happy Planner, the stickers are just a little bit more like freeform versus in an Erin Condren. In Erin Condren, I don't know why, the lines just make it me like want to just put everything in place and have it all neat. But in the Happy Planner, something in me just really wants to make it look more scrapbooky. So I loved including in the journaling sampler because it really made my life easier. I bought these pens from Korea, and one of them had different colored inks, and they were all pastel colors. I didn't expect that because you know how most pens that have multiple colors, you know, they're just like a really terrible blue. But this one was almost like a periwinkle purpley blue. And it was so pretty for this kit, so I thought I would use that color. Sometimes I really regret using a different color than black, but I honestly should just go out of my comfort zone, even with colors of pens, you know? So it's fun to do something different once in a while. So I'm filling out Monday since that already happened. And I went to Target yesterday, and I'm going again in a few hours. I just did a pickup. They're doing a deal where you get $5 off $25. well, not, you get a $5 gift card of a $25 order of skincare or makeup. And I have been really into makeup lately. I was super into it in like junior high, and then not really into it that much in my adult life ever since I started staying home and I don't really use makeup. But I go into phases where sometimes I go on YouTube and I'm watching fun videos and I want to try out like different looks. And oh my gosh, like the drugstore game of makeup has come a very long way. All the products I've bought recently are awesome, so I kind of bought more things yesterday and I'm going to pick up some extra things today. You can't just like stop with one. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this fun series we did. Bye everybody!